Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza, and in this video we are going to start question number 3 from 2.4, and it is the question which we are going to solve the determinant without expanding, and there are 6 to 7 properties which we are going to start. Now let's see what we have in question number 3, and let's get started. For this one we have question, and that is like minus a square ab ac and ba minus b square bc and ca cb minus c square, which is equal to 4a square b square c square. Now we are going to solve that, and we will find that in row 1, if you are going to consider, we have like a and a common, and in row 2 we have b and we have b common, and in row c we have 3, we have c and we have c common, and we are going to take common from the abc from row 1, row 2, row 3, and therefore we are going to say that taking common from r1, r2, r3, which is a, b and c, and therefore I will take a, b, c common, and remaining will be a minus a, and we have, since we got a from that one, and we will get b, and we have let me just do some color coding here. For a we are going to write like a, and we have here also a square, and we will get a here, and we will get a here, and next we are going to write, the remaining part will be b, and here minus b square, and here we have b. And one thing you are going to get, that we have minus a here, therefore we get minus with that a square, and since we got common a from that one, therefore the square will be going to end. And we have here we got b, therefore we will get only b, and we are going to have c from that one, and the remaining will be b. And now next we are going to just write here that c and c and c and minus c, and now that is the complete determinant. And I'm going to show you that what happened here. We took a from row 1, now I took a from this one. Taking 1a we will get minus 1a, and taking 1a we will get b, and taking 1a we will get c, and from row 2 we got b, and you can see that we just took common b, therefore we have a remaining minus b remaining, and b is taken common, we have c remaining, and from column 3 from row 3 we have c common, and therefore a remaining, b remaining, and minus c remaining. Okay, now you can see that what we have here already. Therefore I coded that for you, that we are going to take common from column 1 abc a, and from column 2 b, and from column 3 we will get and take common c. Therefore we have 1 abc, and let me just write for you here. We have a, b, c, and we are going to take common from column 1 a, b and c, and therefore we multiply a, b, c also, and next we are going to get what, that will be taking minus 1 and 1 and 1, and here we also get 1 minus 1 and 1, since we got common from b, and same will come here, 1 and minus 1. Now it is the determinant here. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to just we will take some for example, now I am going to make that 210, or similarly we are going to just make c like, let me just do that for you. R2 plus R1 and R3 plus R1. We are going to plus that row with that one, 1 minus 1, 1 plus minus 1, which will be minus 1, and it will be like this one. Let me show you. Minus 1, 1, because row 1 is we have not changed anything, it will be like this one. And when we are going to 8, 1 minus 1, because we are going to do that R2 with plus R1, and plus minus will be minus, and here we have minus 1 and plus 1, because we are going to plus that, and we have 1 plus 1, and the second one will be similar, like 1 minus 1. We are going to add that one to this one, and here will be 1 plus 1, and we have like 1 minus 1 to plus 1. Now what we have here, one thing else, a plus b, a bc multiplied by abc, which we will get like a square, b square and c square. Now next what we are going to do, minus that one, we will get minus 1 0 and 0, and we have 1 0 and 2, and we have 1 2 and 0, and similarly we have a square, b square, a square, b square and c square. And next what we are going to do, just expand that determinant, and expanding that determinant, what we will get like a square, b square, c square, and minus 1, since it will expand like this one, and everything else will be 0, like we are going to do that one, and which will be minus 1 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0 0, and minus 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 4, and like we have minus 1, and then 0 0 0, and 0 multiplied by 2, which will be 0, and we have last one 1, and we are going to expand 0 with 2 0 and 0 0 0, and therefore we will get like a square, b square and c square, and here we have minus 1 and minus 4, and here we have 0 0 multiplied by minus 1, which will be 0, and 0 multiplied by 1, which will be 0, and minus multiplied by minus, it will be 4, and therefore we will get plus 4 here, and we are going to write 4 a square, b square and c square. Hence it is proved, and we got that how we are going to prove that one. And if you are going to check the question, which is a square ab ac and ba minus b square bc and ca cb minus c square is equal to 4 a square b square c square, and here is the complete procedure how we got that a 4a square b square c square. And I hope you got the basic idea that how we are going to prove question number 3 in 2.4, and I will meet you in next video with question number 4. Stay tuned for more amazing math video in mathupdates.com. Here's me, Jamshed Raza. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.